In this video, I will show you how to create AI avatar videos in minutes using HeyGen without any filming required. We'll go step by step so you can understand everything easily and start creating your own videos quickly. HeyGen is an AI video generator that converts your text into a professional video with a realistic avatar, synced voice, and background. This means you don't need cameras, lighting, or even to show your face. It's perfect for product demos, training videos, or marketing content, especially if you're on a low budget or short on time. Now, let's go through how it works. First, open your browser and go to the official HeyGen website. Then sign up using your email and log into your account. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard where you can start creating your video. Next, click on Create and choose a template or start from scratch. Templates are helpful because they already include layouts and scenes for different types of videos like social media, marketing, or training. Once inside the editor, go to the script section and either write your script or paste it. Keep your script simple and natural so the voice sounds realistic. Then select an avatar by browsing through the available options. You can filter avatars based on style, gender, or appearance and choose one that fits your content. After that, pick a voice and language. You can select from different voice styles or even clone your own voice if your plan allows it. Now, customize your scenes by changing backgrounds, adding text, images, icons, or logos. You can adjust the layout, position of the avatar, and even add background music. This helps make your video more engaging. When everything is ready, click on Generate. The platform will process your video, which may take a few minutes depending on its length. Once done, review the video carefully to check for any errors in pronunciation, timing, or visuals. If needed, make changes and regenerate. Finally, download your video in the available resolution or share it directly. Free plans usually support 720p, while paid plans offer higher quality like 1080p or 4K. To get the best results, keep your script simple, use visuals to support your message, break long videos into shorter ones, test different voices, and maintain a consistent style across your content. HeyGen is easy to use, saves time, and helps you create professional videos quickly. However, advanced features may require a paid plan, and the free version has some limitations. Overall, if you want to create high-quality videos without the hassle of traditional filming, HeyGen is a great option to try. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.